Get it, Blinky.
Doors opening on the right.
You are relieved of duty.
Jeez! I don't want you to survive! Here!
This is
I got it!
You're not getting away from you.
Time. Step back. Doors open.
No!
Lines on the upper level and silver and blue lines on the side. Connection is available to the Virginia Railway Express.
Don't you dare say that.
Doors opening on the left.
We're not going to survive. I want to live. I'm not positive.
No, you are positive.
Positive. Not positive. Look at this pizza. Pizza is completely relevant.
This is an orange line train to New Carrollton with borders. Move to the center of the corridor. The next stop is Federal Center Southwest.
I can't just sit here and do nothing. Stop! I don't want this!
Now activate train control
Who can stop me now?
Step back. Doors open.
You are confined to quarters.
No! Mutiny! No! This is mutiny! See you later! I am locked in my room! Hey, drink a bunch. Here, take the cup. Take the cup. Take the cup.
No, I don't think I will.
Take your sticky cup!
Let me help you.
Federal Center Southwest.
Leave me here.
Well, I was gonna have you prison for life, but I kinda like this better.
Well, you know, I've just about had it.
Little mind games.
Captain, you are right.
Well, good morning, everybody. I want to
Doors opening on the left.
We'll see who's powerless now. No! I want a pizza!
Doors open. This is an orange line train to New Carrollton with borders.
Greetings
Move to the center
and
of the car.
congratulations.
Next stop is Federal
If you are
South.
seeing this, that means you're extra smooth, extra metro, extra juicy, and extra coverage. That's right. It means it's time to go back home. Extra juicy, extra coverage. Darn it all, we're gonna have to cancel out vegetation. Do not return to Earth. Do not return to Earth. Extra juicy, extra coverage. Extra juicy, extra coverage.
Let's see the ramblers. Where is your gaming? What do you mean, got? Thanks a lot. See you later.